Planet Nigel, where are you from? Planet Nigel, artificial fun.
Hello folks, welcome back to Planet Nigel. I've been doing some clothes swapping in Minimax-H3 and I've actually got it working. So on the left video is Cindy wearing a cute pink, what is it? It's a maid outfit. And I used a reference of a pink leopard onesie. And then I asked H3 to swap the clothes and it's actually done it. Now the videos the new video that it's created isn't absolutely exactly like a one-for-one frame clone over, because it is using a reference video and it's making a new video, but in essence it has swapped the clothes. I'm going to show you how to do this and I've got another couple examples, so let's get into it. Alright, so the workflow for this is in ComfyUI, templates, Minimax-H3 Ref2Video, that one there. Okay, basically it's this one, and it comes with two load images, but I am deleting one of those. Click. I am double clicking and I am picking video upload. There we are, that one there, dump that there. Okay, and then I am dragging the output of that onto the video, onto the reference video 0 there, and essentially that is it. Okay, now I'll show you the workflow that I've actually using for this, which is this one. Here we are. So here's the here's that reference to video node. I've got reference image 0 and reference video 0, and they go to this one here. I've called it picture 1 and I've called this one video 1. Okay, because I know, because when you start using lots of pictures that I've been using, it all gets a bit confusing. But anyway, I'm using one picture and one video. So the source image is this one here, the pink onesie. Okay, and the video is one I made earlier, Cindy. This is 15 seconds long. I thought I'd try a 15 seconds one to see if it could actually do it. And that is our source video. So in the text input, I put using video 1 as a reference of a woman posing in a studio. Replace the woman's pink maid outfit with the pink leopard onesie from picture 1. That's it. And then run it. However, don't get too ambitious. 15 seconds was quite difficult. I originally did that Cindy video in 0.7 megapixels, 15 seconds. I tried to recreate it at 0.7 megapixels and it ran out of VRAM, so I had to drop it down to 0.4 and it took 25 minutes to run 15 seconds. And also I dropped it down to 0.2 and it took 18 minutes. Then I upscaled using Seed VR2 to 720, which is what you just saw. So don't get too ambitious with this, and results may vary. The second example I'm going to show you is this old chap. This is the source video, taking a fork out of a drawer. He's wearing a red checkered jacket. So I changed his, I took a screenshot of it, changed his jacket to a blue jacket using Fire Red Edit, and I thought, well, how about if we get him to pick a spoon up from the drawer instead of a fork? So I've added a second picture. The second picture node goes on. I'll just drag that up there so you can see where that goes. There we are. Reference image number 1. I've called it picture 2. So I don't get confused which is which. All right. Let's just leave it up there for now. So the prompt. Using video 1 as a reference of a man in the kitchen. Replace the man's red jacket and fork in video 1 with the blue jacket from picture 1 holding a silver spoon from picture 2. There we are. And a bit of other stuff. What do we get? Here we are. This is what we get. The guy with the blue jacket holding a spoon up. It actually works. How about that? Right, next example. Well, this next example was a bit trickier because the source video, here it is here, let's just show you that run, has a lot of people in it. So what I want to do is just change the woman in the white wedding dress and get her to wear a sari, but I don't want anyone else to change. So what I've had to do is, again, I've had to use a second picture as a reference to tell Minimax to give it a chance, basically. The prompt, using video 1 as a reference of people at the hotel bar, replace only the woman wearing the white wedding dress, reference picture 2 with the coloured sari from picture 1. The other people are wearing the same clothes as the original. Now, it's a simple prompt. I don't know if it needs to get more complicated to make it work better, or do I need to put that last bit on there? You know, there's so many parameters you can do. But so original video, reference image of the clothes and the woman that we want to target, and the result. Okay, here's the result, and you can see that this sari has indeed, the girl with the wedding dress has indeed now got the sari on. Now the quality is pretty poor because I ran this at 0.2 megapixels and upscaled it using SeedVR2 because I didn't want to wait for the time. Because I didn't even know if it's going to work, but it is actually working. Okay, now I'm going to show you a horrendous fail, but before we do that, check out Planet Nigel. I've got lots of videos here. Check out my Cindy series, got 5 now. Previous video called Benini, which also does clothes swaps. You might want to check that video out. I've also got the Wishkeeper series, 3 of those, and various lots of other videos. So please check out Planet Nigel, subscribe and give us a like. Right, back to the fail. Here we go. Where are we? Oh dear. What a mess. There we are. That's AI for you. Right, hope you've enjoyed this, folks. See you again. Cheerio.
Planet Nigel, where are you from? Planet Nigel, artificial fun.